where can I put him?
Welcome to the workshop. I want to apologize for rushing you in like that. You see, the first order just recently arrived in town, and we can never be too careful of who we let into our workshop, into our home. But now that you're here and you're safe, go ahead and take a look around. I know there's not much to see, probably some dust, some candles, maybe junk to you, but to us, all of this means everything. Allow me to introduce ourselves. To my right, I have Dave. To my left, Lynn. Narrating right over there. My name is Eddie. Out there, we're known as scrappers, but we humbly call ourselves the gatherers. As gatherers, we travel far and wide across the galaxy. We go to abandoned outposts like the Great Temple in Yavin 4, fallen starships of Jakku, and even forgotten Jedi and Sith temple ruins like in Coruscant. And we scavenge for these seemingly worthless relics and artifacts, and we bring it back here to the workshop for you. You see, as gatherers, we believe that if we can preserve our past, we can ensure a brighter future for future generations to come. But as you saw outside, the future is looking a little bleak. But not to worry, a call for help was sent out. Have you heard of the legendary Luke Skywalker? Well, he answered the call many, many years ago, and now we have a new Jedi who goes by the name of Rey. She's our spark of hope that we now need, and that's why you're here, to answer the call, just like Luke and Rey did, by building something special, something unique, something hidden here at Blackspire Outpost. You're here. Built this. The lightsaber. Now the lightsaber is both elegant and enigmatic. It's been wielded by the greatest of heroes and the darkest of foes. To build a lightsaber is a lost and ancient art form. It was used in a more civilized age, a direct reflection of the builder, connecting the builder to the Force, allowing the Force to flow through, and today you will offer that connection, believe me. But in order to have that connection, you need one important thing. You need this. The Kyber crystal. Now the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. It channels and focuses the Force and magnifies it to powers unimaginable. And the color of one's crystal will depict the color of one's blade. And we, the gatherers, have gathered 4 crystals for you to choose from on our travels. As you can see, it was no easy task, but we managed to acquire them for you. Let's begin with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now red, a spark of hope. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker has wielded this color. Violet, the most rare and beautiful Kyber crystal in the galaxy, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And finally, red, crystal of power, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now wielded today by Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and you are our future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. So, for those of you who are building, I ask that you please close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes. Look deep within your heart, and whichever color reflects your heart is the heart of your lightsaber, your Kyber crystal. Hold that color in your mind and focus. Concentrate. Listen. And now open your eyes and choose your Kyber crystal. It's yours. Take it. Once you have taken your Kyber crystal, you may then place it on the green tray that lies before you. Ahsoka Tano, good choice. Darth Vader. Now, to harness the crystal, we need a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of a lightsaber. So, my fellow gatherers and I are going to present to you the components that you previously selected earlier. I know there's a lot to look at. Don't worry not, we'll go over everything in a moment. Excellent. I believe everyone has their components, so I strongly urge you to listen very, very carefully. And let's explore. To your far left, you have your chassis, which houses your kyber crystal. In columns 1 and 2, you have 4 grips to choose from, but you'll choose 2. Column 3 are your emitters. They go at the top of your chassis. Column 4 are your pommels. They go at the bottom of your chassis. And column 5 are your 2 sets of activation plates. You'll choose only one of the sets, and they go at the center of your chassis. Builders, are we ready to build? Ah, that's sad. Okay, let's build the lightsabers. Alright, builders. Let's start off with the chassis. It's going to be that chassis.
Alright, first hold your chassis like this with those windows up. Press your kyber crystal inside that center chamber, straight up and down. It's spring loaded on the top. If you push up, you can slide the bottom in. And it will light up and sing to you when it's in there properly. Very exactly like that. Okay. Wait just a moment, okay? Get those other crystals in. If you need some help with it, we are standing by. Let's see.
That's what you're saying.
It's not light enough. Go ahead and pop that out and try a fresh chassis.
Alright,
Thank
now
you.
we're going to move on to our activation piece. We're rolling number 5. So go ahead and choose one set. Those are going to go.
That's what it's supposed to do. That's what we want. Excellent. Now, the next step, you're going to go to row 5. You're going to choose your activation plates. And look on the side of your chassis. You see these red and blue squares? Those correspond to red and blue squares that are inside the activation plates. So when you snap it on around the crystal, make sure you navigate those colors. If red against red, blue against blue.
Okay. You're going to see that you have the same color squares inside of your chassis. So,
I think
see
so,
how
yeah.
the blue, it goes in this way, but it goes in this way. So that's what blue goes.
Does the other one look
Try the
like?
activation switch there.
Okay.
Try to go. That's what I want to hear. Now we're going to choose your grips. The thick end of the grip is going to be the first one to center. That's where your threads are. Okay, they'll tighten down like that. Any two of these are really
Check your switch.
Okay, you don't mix and match.
Right.
Right? So once you make your choices on the two that you want,
Try your activation switch, please. Very good. Now choose your grips.
we're on one end
End of the grip goes in first towards the middle. Threads are. Tighten down on the plates. Any two of these any way you like. One on the top and one on the bottom.
the activation is like so, and then you're going to tighten them together. Now some of the pieces will tighten easily, but some of them you're going to have to get firm with them. And you're going to have to press towards those activation plates at the same time while turning.
Try the activation switch. No?
Okay. I like the other one better. Probably does one.
Change it up if you want.
Yeah.
Just like that. We're going to choose 2 grips. Any 2 grips you want. See the larger grip? They're all like that. So you're going to make sure that the larger grip goes in first because it has the thread you need to screw it onto your activation. So you have to apply pressure.
You need to put some pressure on as you turn it for it to engage the threads, and don't over tighten it. The threads are very short. Okay, and if you try to over tighten it, it will strip the threads. Okay, that looks great. So go ahead and choose one of these for the top and one of these for the bottom. Okay, how you doing? Doing all right? Do you have them tightened down? Okay, don't make it too tight. One of these on top, one of these on the bottom.
Now,
Yeah, that was one of the pieces.
that's going to be your emitter.
Yeah.
Did you try the activation switch there? I want to hear that
It's going to go right
misfire.
here on top of it.
That, excellent, okay. Go ahead and put the grips on. The thick end has to go in first towards the middle.
Okay.
The threads have to go towards the middle, okay? Then they tighten down over those activation plates.
You want to hold this. Now you're going to choose an emitter. Yeah, you don't want to hit yourself. Excellent. Can I inspect it? Alright. And then once your emitter is placed, you can go with that.
Then try the other direction.
This is your switch. It's ready to go.
Tightening it in the direction.
And secure that power cell.
Is that not engaging the threads?
No.
We take a, might just need to get you in one of those.
Oh.
You just have to, oh, sorry. You have to put a little bit of
Holy.
force.
Okay.
Okay, but you don't want to make it too tight, because if it's too tight, it does interfere with the activation switch. Go ahead and put another one on the bottom there, in just the same manner. Wow, we're already done. Very good.
Alright, so with all these steps,
Very good Me too. That's pretty cool.
Go ahead and set it up and do it. And then each one of my fellow gatherers will come by
Let me
and
tell
take
you about the parts chosen.
You don't want to cross.
With accents here are from dry
Right now is the time.
the planet Kashyyyk. Do you know who comes from Kashyyyk? Very good. Exactly right. This is Bantahide.
Try what?
We do have Bantas here.
Good, huh?
That's what we get our
Alright,
signal.
this is your activation switch right
And the
here.
Rancor too.
It sounds like it's ready. Are you satisfied? Well done. Wonderful.
Rancor's mouth.
Look at it from up. Admire it.
There's your activation. So when he says activate, you should just like that, okay? But first we do have to stabilize the crystal. That'll be our next step, okay? Beautiful job.
Alright, this is your activation switch. Sounds like it's ready. Are you satisfied? Well done.
Okay. Wow. Are you happy with that?
I think so.
Okay, I would be. That's beautiful. That's pretty good.
Cool.
Are you ready for inspection?
This is your activation
Make
switch.
sure everything says it should be.
It's ready.
Great sound to it also. But I have one question for you. This is a lot of power. Are you confident holding this much power?
I think so.
Are you
Yes.
confident holding this much power?
Yes, I am.
That's what I needed, affirmative, because that's a lot, okay? So this is your activation switch, so when he says activate, push it just like that, okay?
Alright.
So in the meantime, you do have to stabilize your crystal, we're gonna do that next.
Alright.
It sounds like it's ready. Are you satisfied for cooking? You did it all the way like this.
That was cool.
Recommending the black, also still metallic.
Did you get out the pieces, Yeah.
Well done, builders. They built. They look amazing. But now comes the most dangerous part in building a lightsaber. So we need you all to take a giant step back, please. Take a giant step back. Make room for my fellow gatherers, Dave, Marion, and Link. They're going to come around and secure your hilt to the crystal stabilization chambers. Now, we are not force sensitive. We're just humble gatherers trying to make our way around the universe, which is why we have this technology to stabilize the kyber crystal inside a hilt. So here at the workshop, we go through extensive training to make sure that the emitter matrix is not inverted. Otherwise, it could cause an explosion. See the evidence on the walls, and then on the surface. I believe we're ready to stabilize. Stand clear. Now, while your crystals are stabilizing, what's going on? What's going on?
Many parts silver now. Join the art. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. The Force must truly be strong in here. Builders, he's right. It's time. Time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. So in a moment, I'll have you step forward. You'll place your hand on your hilt, and we'll activate together as one. Builders, are we ready? Yes. Okay. Please take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. Take a deep breath. Activate. Now raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. But remember, it only takes a spark. Raise them high. Raise them proud. Beautiful. Well done. Please lower and deactivate your lightsabers. The bond is complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, with you it cannot. Your journey will both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. May the Force be with you. Thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. Know that your lightsabers are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. However, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect you, lightsaber, please present you a saber sheet as you depart. Builders, our time here has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning, and it's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows? Perhaps maybe one day we, the Gatherers, will be here at Savi's workshop, telling your stories, as we say here at Black Spire Outpost, kill the inspire.
Don't inspire!
Write down now with bookers to collect your saber sheets. May the inspire to you all. Take it. Don't inspire. You're welcome. Safe travels. Safe travels.
Thank you.
Alright, so we just got done at Savi's workshop. Awesome experience. If you're a fan, if you ever wanted to be a Jedi, this is exactly what you should do. They had a really cool little story, little speech, and you totally got immersed in. I can totally move that lamp with my brain right now. Like, it did. It was really cool. A whole lot of fun. Plus, you get the lightsaber itself, whatever pieces you wanted, whatever color you want. Very solid piece of hardware all put together. Makes lights up and makes sounds. When you move it, solid, sturdy, quality. See, like it even sounds when it's broken. The switch is on, and there's no blade in it. So it's got all different kinds of characteristics like that. It was a lot of fun. And then you can get extra pieces, you can switch it around, change it up. You can always do stuff with it. And it's just fun. I enjoy knowing how things go together, building things with my hands. So that was really awesome. I can't wait to try to figure out how to connect two together.